The Teachers' Day is one of the finest memories of school days, but this current location has made us to sit at home. But doesn't matter, the love will always profit about you in our hearts. Preparing for the surprises, conducting essays, speeches, along with elaborate plays, this is all the great experience. Well, the situation will recover soon. Good morning all the teachers, myself Vinay from class 10 here before you handling a speech on the beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day. The day of the light, the banner of the dark and the hope that keeps us strength and strong. Yes, they are teachers. The Teachers' Day is full of happiness, excitement and joyness. The Teachers' Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of September. This day is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great leader in form of the president of our country, also a scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers are the backbone of our country, of our society. They help us to build our personality and makes us an ideal citizen of the country. Teachers stay with us with every step and guides us, motivate us and inspires us. I would like to extend my gratitude to all my dear teachers who has supported me with the selflessness and dynamic support.
Very firstly, a very happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers. As it is said, a teacher plants a seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. The great teachers never try to be the best teachers. They simply try to bring the best in their students, and we are very lucky to have you all as our teachers who not only guide us but also help us to get a bright future. Teachers always provide us the strength to face every situation in our life. Dear teachers, you all have made us realize that nothing is impossible and we should not give up on anything, and made us believe in ourselves. You all are like our second parents who support us and lead to the best for us. Today, the world is facing the corona pandemic, but you all are trying to teach us in a new way, which will surely help us in our further life. At the end, I would just like to express my hearty thanks to you all to put so many efforts and hard work on us, which would lead us to grow on the right path. At last, thank you for being our teachers.
Firstly, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during lockdown. All teachers are working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level this year may have given us a tough time. But our teachers have surely been a ray of hope, from guiding us to motivating us. This year, our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our long-term mentors. They have supported us throughout and helped us to cope with online classes and tests. As we all know that it is impossible to define teachers, as teachers are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping students to take a right path. They add value to our character and make us an ideal citizen of the country. Therefore, it is our utmost duty to convey our wishes to the Teachers' Day in recognition of the undeterred effort. Hey, let us take time to pay honor and admire all the contribution to elevating us.
This is the honorable occasion of Teachers' Day and great Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan's birthday, which gave me opportunity to speak for you. We know that teachers hold a very special place in the lives of students. Here is the same. You all are very special in our lives. It is said that teacher takes a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. And of course, it is true. You all help us to short our goals. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take makes you the world's best teacher. It is true, because teachers are also known as the second parents. It's because our parents teach us to walk and teachers teach us to talk. This is the reason why teachers are called as second parents. These are not only the words, but it also makes sense. The endless words which cannot be expressed in this 1 minute, but you all are truly great. The respect for you cannot be enough in the words.
Teachers are the pillars of a country.
They guide and shape the destiny of the students. They are the reasons behind the successful career of a student. Teachers like Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam are some of the renowned names that have given meaning to the word teacher. Teachers are not necessarily present only in school. Everything around us teaches something or the other. The greatest of all the teachers is life, that teaches us the art of survival. Parents are the prime most teachers. Our friends, nature, animals, and our mistakes is everything a teacher that teaches us something or the other. Today is the day to honor all of them. Today, I take privilege in wishing all our mentors in the school and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are a blessing in disguise. They guide the students and brighten their lives all through. Teaching is a way of life and not just a profession. We are fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers who are always up for grooming the students into the finest individuals. We pray for the well-being and success. We shower immense respect today and always. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Runalini, a student of class 10 of A.B. Patil's Millennium School. Today on 5th September, on the special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am here to express my gratitude and respect towards my teachers. Very first, I would like to wish them all a very happy Teachers' Day. Everybody says teaching is so easy, just like walking in a park, but only teachers knew it is a Jurassic Park with a variety of dinosaurs. And thank you dear teachers for shaping and molding these dinosaurs and making them the productive and talented ones. Thank you for being the guiding force of us during this lockdown. You not only taught us a new way of learning, but you also motivated us during this lockdown. Thanks a lot for your untiring efforts. Now to note upon. 5th September is the birth anniversary of India's one of the most notable teacher and philosopher, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan sir, who was the second president of independent India. We are observing it ever since by his passing away as our country's Teachers' Day. The country is as good as its people and its citizens are as good as their teachers. Therefore, a great deal depends upon the teacher. And I really salute you all for your dedication, passion, commitment and contribution. It is a teacher who identifies the spark in the student and turns it into the fire. As it is said, lawyer's mistake is lost in the records. Doctor's mistake is buried in the graveyard. But a teacher's mistake is reflected in the future. And this signifies the worth and importance of the teacher in our life. Teacher changes every child's future, the bright one. And today we have here a special occasion with us where we can pay our hearty tribute to our teachers for their untiring efforts. Before saying thank you, I would like to say this for all my teachers. Teacher, having one is the biggest blessing than being one. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Teachers are respected and honored for their important contribution in shaping individuals. 5th of September is annually celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. This is actually the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, the former President of India. Teachers are one who act as an inspiration and guide as both the people, young and old. He or she open the mind of people by installing moral values, ethics and etc. The efforts made by teacher will never be unknown, and the efforts made by teacher are recognized on these days. And simply 26 alphabets will never express my.
Today is 5th September, most commonly known as Teachers' Day. The light in the world, the beacon in the dark, and most commonly hope. The biggest hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work really very hard to make sure that the future for all of us is going to be bright. It's just our teacher. So dear teacher, today we want to dedicate this thought for you all because you care for us. With you all, we feel safe and secure because you always care for us. Even we don't know, we are stuck in the problems and don't know what to do. You're always there to guide us. Even when we lose our confidence or we get nervous during our exams, you're always there to stand back and support us. We all like the way you get so excited about the things you are going to teach us. For others, you may be an ordinary teacher, but for us, you are our hope, our inspiration, and a path which will lead us towards our success. So on this special occasion, we all would like to thank you for everything that you all do for us and wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers' Day in India is celebrated every year on 5th September to honor the contribution of teachers in our study, society and country. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Whether you call them a guru, a guide, a teacher, a mentor or an educator, they all mean the same. It is teachers who play an extremely important role in shaping our lives and molding our personalities. They are the ones who work selflessly for our betterment, not expecting anything in return. I would like to thank all my teachers who have taught me to strive for excellence and become a better version of life. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank all the teachers and appreciate all the efforts taken by them for being the support pillars of my life and being such an indispensable part of my life. I would also like to thank all the teachers who have been working very hard to guide us during the lockdown, working very hard to teach us online, taking education to the very next level. This year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope. So I would like to thank all the teachers for supporting us and continuing our education no matter what is the situation. So I would like to thank you all the teachers and wish you all a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Everybody celebrate this day by arranging different programs such as dances, games and many more things in which teachers are allowed to participate in that. This day is also marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. My parents are also my teachers and I feel very proud of those teachers who came in my life and who are going to come in my life. The significance of this day is to remind the people to appreciate the teachers, their grateful teachers who always render the services to the teacher even in these pandemic situations. As we all know, in this pandemic situation, everybody are struggling, but teachers, although being in home, they are struggling a lot for their students to give them as much as knowledge as possible. In this fast globe paced world, everybody is forgetting expressing their gratitude towards each other. But Teachers' Day acts as one of the best opportunity to express our gratitude towards our teachers. Today, due to this COVID-19, we are unable to express our gratitude towards our teachers on this 5th September, that is on our Teachers' Day. But we can call or message to our teachers and express our gratitude towards them. Lastly, I would extend my hearty thanks to all for selfless services and dynamic support. You will be always grateful to me. Lastly, I would wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all once again. Stay home, be safe.